Today is Friday the 6th of March 2020. Welcome to Dex Fx Markets, and we're going to go through our daily signals for the last 24 hours. Just hold on once I load it up. Oh, here we go. It does take a short while to load up due to the amount of data that's on here. Yeah, it takes a little bit longer than 5 seconds, but here we go. There. Okay, welcome to our daily signal results page. Starting with the assets for the daily signals. Scroll this up here. Okay, for the last 24 hours, every single pair has fired up 100%. For the week, the lowest statistic for the week, that's the last 7 days, I believe is 90.5, and that would be the USD CAD. And for the month, 94, let's have a look, 94. Yes, 94 is the Euro Great British Pound. And again, that's for the last 30 days. It's had a 94% success rate. Okay, moving on to our 1 hour. This is the 1 hour TNT. That's the trend, negate, and trade. So for the last 24 hours, the only one that hasn't fired off is USD CAD. And the lowest statistic would be for the day, 24 hours, 62.5. And again, we don't just fire off any old signals just to keep people happy. We have to make sure they're as near to 100% as possible. Remember, there is no guarantees in trading. Okay, for the last 30 days then, for the last 7 days, the last week, the lowest asset looks like the Great British Pound USD. Yeah, that would make total sense, and that's 73.7%. And for the last month, the lowest statistic we have is 84. Yes, 84, and that's the AUD JPY. Everything is in the 80s apart from, no, it's not. Oh, look at that. The Great British Pound USD is at 78. Just about everything else is above the 85%, which is fantastic because those are the results I like to use. The last 30 days gives me so much data and information about the pairs. Okay, moving on to the 2 hour TNT. Again, the Euro Great British Pound hasn't fired off in the last 24 hours. For the last week, the lowest statistic is 66. That's USD CAD, so basically the same as the 1 hour. However, everything else is looking tickety-boo. And for the month, 83.3 Euro USD is the lowest statistic for the last 30 days. But again, everything is above 85%, so that is actually quite a superb result. Okay, moving on to the 5 minute. And again, this is the beast we talk about because the amount of signals it fires off in a day, so that's the last 24 hours, has been 111. True signals assets, let's have a look for the last week, 7 days. The lowest would be 93%, and for the month, the lowest is 95.5%, and that's Great British Pound JPY. Excuse me a second, I just need to shut the door. Sorry about that, it's 6:30 in the morning here. I didn't want to wake the rest of the house up. And the door flew open by the cat. Okay, I digress. Let's move them back to the home page. Looking at our homepage here, again, everything you need to trade with is up here. Take the Dex Automatic, for example. On the Dex Automatic, we've given you our charts. That's the 1 hour chart and the 2 hour charts, which are having tremendous success, absolutely phenomenal success. And we even have traders that are trading right through the NFP, and again with amazing success. There are videos made by Max himself doing live trading throughout all processes with the Dex Atomic. Going back home, if you stumbled across this video, please like it, to put in your comments you wish at the bottom, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be much appreciated. That way also you can keep up to date with all the latest happenings within Dex Fx Markets, all the tips, tricks and specials that you might need to know. Well, this is Paul signing off for the day. As it's a Friday, have a fantastic weekend, but for the rest of the day, trade safe and enjoy. Bye now.